Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction. So today, we are going to react to your song. So today we have Riley overthinking. There's a lyric video. Um, Isa sa mga nag-comment sa atin, no, na mag-react tayo sa kanta niya, which again, title is Overthinking. Riley is also one of those viewers sa ating channel, or also an artist na nag-request na rin na dati pa na mag-react tayo sa mga kanta niya, and we actually did before, no? We actually did. If I remember correctly, meron siyang kanta with Riz ng 8 Ballin. But yeah, well, if I remember correctly, Riley is actually a dope artist, man. You guys might want to check Riley, no? But let's see. Overthinking. Without no further ado, let's get it. Overthinking. Gold Star Visuals.
Shawty, you got my head keep spinning. Shawty, you got my head overthinking. Di ko na alam kung anong totoo sa mga pinakita mo. Wow, wow. Got me thinking kung anong totoo. Got me thinking kung feelings totoo.
Oh shit. Well, Riley is in his lover boy bag as well. No? I actually just finished listening and reacting to song of Nick Makino, yung Addict na Sayo, no? Seems like everyone is in their lover boy bag.
Yeah, ako lang ba to? Ang merong nararamdaman sa'yo.
Ako lang ba to ang merong nararamdaman sa'yo, which is the song is Overthinking.
Is it me? Is it you? Or is my feelings falling deep for you? Pero ngayon I don't know what to do. Cause all I wanna know is the truth. Kasi pag tayo nagsama, binibigyan mo ako lagi ng pag-asa. Pero pag magkahiwalay parang walang gana. Every time I hit you up, you just ignore all my texts, yeah.
Hey, I mean, that's very relatable, no? Sabihin mo sa akin hindi na di mo pa naranasan. Sabihin mo sa akin hindi na di mo pa naranasan yun nung ano ko pa, no? Nung in your teenager days, or bata-bata ka pa, that you have this girl na sobrang crush mo, no? Na feels like magkasama kayo, you're bonding, man. Kala mo meron eh. But after that day, like pag uwi na sa bahay, like she's not gonna hit you up, no? Wala kang maririnig, no? Hanggang sa susunod ang ulit na pagkikita. But, yeah, yung parang sobrang confused ka. Hindi mo alam kung itutuloy mo ba. Like, yung, alam mo yung tipong feeling mo na, parang gusto ko na tong babae to. Parang sabihin ko na kaya, no?
Know what you're trying to do.
Masyadong malapit sa ano to. Masyadong malapit sa katotohanan ng kanta mo, Riley.
Every day you're fucking up my mood. I don't know what you're trying to do. Every day you're fucking up my mood. Shawty, you got my head keep spinning. Shawty, you got my head overthinking. Di ko na alam kung anong totoo sa mga pinakita mo. Wow, wow. Got me thinking kung anong totoo. Got me thinking kung feelings totoo.
Hey.
Yeah, ako lang ba to? Ang merong nararamdaman sa'yo. Shawty, you got my head keep spinning.
Okay.
Shawty, you got my head overthinking. Di ko na alam kung anong totoo sa mga pinakita mo. Wow, wow. Got me thinking kung anong totoo. Got me thinking kung feelings totoo. Yeah,
Ito, fastest version.
ang merong nararamdaman sa'yo.
That is dope line, man. Nice. Alright, well again, that is Riley Overthinking lyric video, man. That is a fucking solid song. To tell you honestly, man. Yung vocals, napakalinis, napaka-professional na, no? Pwede na to, like, it is official. Kasi marami tayong mga, mga nagre-request na, mga sisimula pa lang talaga. Like the audio is medyo messy pa, no? Hindi pa ganun kalinis. We understand that, no? Lahat naman siguro tayo nagsimula sa ganyan. But Riley, man, this is a very professional song na, no? Professional sounding. But yeah, the concept of the song, sobrang solid. Gusto ko yung parang sa verse mo and also sa chorus, there's always a question, di ba? Laging may tanong na linya because again, you're overthinking. You have a lot of questions, you're overthinking. So gusto ko yun. But yeah, that's a very solid song. That is a very solid song, no? Well, that's our reaction for today, man. Guys, check out Riley. Riley is a very dope artist, no? Overthinking. Well, if you guys want me to react to your song, if you have, if you're an artist, if you're a singer, it doesn't have to be a rap, no? If you're a balladeer and you're writing music as well, you have your own song, and if you want us to listen and react to it, just comment down below. Check natin yan, no? But that's it. Di ako magsalita, ganun. That is it for me today. Well, see you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome. Peace.